Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to modify another Nexon XE which is in Bangalore. So this is the second day for us here in Bangalore, and we are doing another XE variant modification. So I will show you what and all we are going to modify. So as per the request of this ORVM mirror, this is a manual one. So this is only comes from the company, and here you can see this. Okay, this is the control given by Tata, okay, for XE, and we are going to change this as auto foldable ORVM mirror. Okay, and you can see this is a steering mounted control. Okay, so this is a default one which comes in XE variant. So we are going to install the steering mounted control here, so with the buttons and all here. So after the modification I will be showing you, and apart from that we are just doing this power window. So it will be a manual one. So in front only it will be like power window, but like back it is not power window. So everything is removed now. So we are just going to install as the top model. Okay, so all the controls will be given here in the driver side, and apart from that we are just going to do the stick the roof rail. So you can see the car is not having any roof rail. So this is the roof rail we got. Okay, so this is the roof rail, you can see. So we will be installing it here in this Nexon XE. Okay, and in rear also we are installing the light and all, rear fog lamp. Okay, I am not able to show now. So in in rear also, like, we are installing the rear fog lamp. So while installing I will be showing you. And we are stitching this steering cover also. After a few minutes it will be completed. So guys, the vehicle is complete now. Let's check what and all we have installed and how it is working. So in this vehicle I said, like, we have modified this like steering wheel. So steering mount controls. Okay, so now here I'm pressing like a plus button, and you can see the volume is increasing here, and if I press like decrease button, it is decreasing here. So same wise, like we have installed this armrest also. Okay, that is a like aftermarket armrest. So you can see it is easy to open and close. As per the seat cover, we have installed this. Okay, and then we are coming to the power window. Okay, so one second, I will switch on the torch. Okay, now here we go. So you can see this is the power window. Okay, so front we have installed this. Okay, I will show you the light. Okay, so front already it will be coming. So as per the previous vehicle we have done this also, and for rear also we will be having control here. Okay, so now I am just pressing this button. Okay, so now, like, it's working. Okay, and now I am just pressing this button. This button is on. Let's check in reverse. Okay, so this is the button, and I am just doing down. I am pressing this button towards downward, so I am not able to open this window. Okay, so now I will be releasing this button. Okay, and now let's see. Now it's working. Okay, and then we need to check the ORVM which we have installed in this vehicle. Okay, so here you go. Closing. Okay, opening, just turning, and again I'm pushing there. So same ways like you can do towards the left side also. So it will be, I don't know like it is visible or not, but it's moving. Okay, so yeah, we have completed the modification here in this vehicle.